Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and I film real estate, business, and personal finance content. Before we get into the video, please remember to subscribe, and for all your real estate inquiries, check out the first link in the description box. There will be a contact form for you to fill out. If you want to view this property, please contact me or Miss Nadeen Neal. Here are the specs of the property that we are viewing today, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is a rental that is off New Kingston. It is a two-bedroom, two-bathroom rental, and it is in a gated complex. This is the kitchen area, so we have double sinks and also a space for your stove as well as your other appliances like your refrigerator. There's lots of floor space as well. Here we have pipings in case you want to have in-unit laundry, but that's up to you. But other than that, there is tons of cabinet storage located in this kitchen. We also have a lot of drawers under the countertops as well. And as you can see, it's also designed with a beautiful backdrop, so you can keep your surface clean. Here is the living room area. Now the living room area is huge, but it's also multi-purpose because that window there can easily be used as a little breakfast nook. I would buy some high stools and possibly have my breakfast there, especially if I have kids or if I need to eat and do some work. There is the entrance, or the exit rather, to the backyard space, which we'll view later down in the video. But for now, I want you guys to keep your eyes on the living room area and just how multi-purpose and wide it is. This wall on your left hand side, I would have my television on that wall, but that's just a personal choice of mine. It's really up to you what you decide. So we're going to move on to the two bedrooms that are in the unit. So on the left is the master bedroom and on the right is the second bedroom, and we're going to tour the second bedroom first. So when we enter, as you can see, this bedroom has an AC unit and also a large window that allows for natural light and ventilation. There's also tons of electrical sockets in this space as well. And if you notice as well, the floor space is rather wide. And then there's also a closet space with overhead storage. Now the bathroom is an ensuite bathroom, meaning it's located inside the bedroom. So this is how it looks. We have a walk-in shower here, and then additionally from the walk-in shower there is a sink and then your toilet towards the back of the bathroom with a mirror. I mean, if you can liaison with your landlord and maybe change the mirror, that's up to you. I prefer a bigger mirror, especially with LED lights, but that's just a preference of mine. And as you can see, this bathroom is disabled friendly because it has a rail on the wall to hold on to for support. Here is a little storage closet, but it also has the system for the water heater, so you can maybe use this as a linen closet. And then right across is your master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has a slightly larger closet. It also has an in-unit air conditioning unit on the wall, and there is a bit of a wider window located in this bedroom, so you get more ventilation and you get more lighting. It also has an ensuite bathroom, which is larger than the previous bathroom that we toured. As you can see, the mirror is larger, the space is larger, there's shelving on the wall, and instead of a walk-in shower, we actually have a bathtub which you can use. Now I think this is a great rental property, especially if you're two friends looking to live together, or maybe you're a couple and you have a young child, or a middle-aged child that you really just want to get a starter home for. We're going to check out the back porch as well as the backyard. So you can have sort of a patio space here with some chairs, maybe a coffee table, or maybe you can hook up to the grill and put a hammock. Who knows? It really depends on you. Out here was very windy, if I could recall, so I know it's going to be very cool during the summertime, especially because there's so much shade, and the backyard space is shared between the other units. But I mean, kids can play with other kids, that's fine. So this is where you're located, and then that's your division there, and the other girl on the right is your neighbor. So we're going to take a review of the property, just go over everything else. And if you have any questions, guys, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Again, please like this video. It helps me to reach other viewers like yourself. So again, coming from the back patio, living room space, bedroom, master bedroom on the left, second bedroom on the right, both ensuite bathrooms for each, you know, a little breakfast nook type of window there, lots of countertop space, double sinks, and also I saved the best for last. There's tons of parking. I believe they're assigned to the different units. But yes guys, that is the end of my video. Again, if you need any interior decor or real estate assistance, please email me at courtneyannbusiness@gmail.com. follow me on Instagram at courtneyannw. Follow me on Twitter at courtneyannw. And again guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. All the relevant details for this rental will be in the description box below, but it will also be coming up in the next clip in case you need to take a screenshot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.